Hey guys, so today I'm showing you guys the Kat Von D palette they sent me. I had actually won the Kat Von D giveaway, which was a while back, maybe like kind of like middle to, like of last month. I had won it and they sent it to me like right after Christmas and I got it like really quick, so that was pretty cool. But I've been sick since like Christmas. Actually, I've been sick on and off since like Thanksgiving, so yeah, so it's kind of been hard for me to film videos lately, but now I'm getting better, so yay. So finally I had time to film my review, and I'm gonna show some swatches and stuff like for the makeup palette, the little mini matte makeup palette. Sorry, I keep stuttering. But yeah, I had actually wanted to unbox it actually. Like I was gonna throw on some makeup and unbox it like the day I got it, but I was like, honestly, I think I was like dying of a fever and I was so sick. I didn't even sound good or look good, so yeah, I couldn't wait to open it, so I just opened it then and there. And I was actually really happy about it. I'm glad I didn't wait on opening it. But I'm still going to show you guys. I had promised on Twitter that I was going to do a review and I'll show you guys some swatches. So yes, I'm going to be doing that today. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you guys a palette. Here it is. I think it's really cute. I like the packaging. Kat Von D packaging is always really nice. It kind of has fingerprints and makeup on it already, so my apologies. I've already been using it already, so I'm like I love this palette. And honestly, like I'm gonna tell you guys already, but the eyeshadows are nice. They're really soft and like they're kind of creamy-ish a little bit. That's pretty cool. So here is the inside, and it has, how many shades is that? Is that 10 shades? I think that's like 10. Oh, yeah, it has like 10. There's 10. I think there's 5 mattes and there's 6 metals or the shimmers or whatever you want to call them. I guess the metal. But yeah. They're all, oops, my bad. They're all pretty nice colors. I think this one's probably my favorite. Thunderstroke's also a really nice shimmer shade because you can also use this as a highlighter. It's pretty popular apparently, so it's pretty cool. And I swatched it, like when I first watched it, I was like, holy crap, this is really pretty. But I'm going to talk about this more in a bit. I want to show you guys the little note they sent me. Here it is. Actually, I'm actually really happy about this because like it's so cool. Like to me, this was really special because it's handwritten, you know, and it's beautiful. It's on black paper, silver. They use a silver marker to write down, and I don't know. It's just they took the time to like write it and stuff. So I was really happy about this. I was really looking forward to this actually because like, I knew they sent like little notes at the to like whenever they send like the PR packages. And I was sure they send them in the giveaways too, so I was really happy about getting this. Honestly, I want to frame this and hang it like probably by like where I do my makeup or something, so like that way I can like always see this. So yeah, but it's pretty cool. It says, "Hi Denise, can't wait for you to start using this badass palette. We know you're all about the smoky eye life, so please tag us. Enjoy. EXO, KVD Beauty Team." So yeah, that was pretty cool. And the part that says, "We know you're all about the smoky eye life," that kind of shows that they kind of like peeked at my page because I do like a lot of smoky eyes. Like that's literally all I wear practically. Smoky eyes, like crazy smoky cut creases and all that crazy stuff. So it's pretty cool. I'm kind of glad they took a look at my page. The Kat Von D Beauty page has actually, like the official page has actually liked some of my posts in the past. That like it always makes me happy. Like it always makes my day when they like my posts because I love their makeup products and everything. Like they're like my #1 favorite makeup brand. So yeah, so honestly I really love this little note card they sent. It's like, this makes me so happy, like I love it. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into talking about the palette again. Let's see, this is the back of it. I don't think I showed the back of it. It just says like the shades, their names in there, and it just says the Metal Matte Mini Eyeshadow Palette. I kind of wanted the original Metal Matte palette that came out, like, was it last year? And I thought it was pretty cool, but I could never afford it at the time, so yeah. But this is pretty cool, too. Honestly, this makes me, like, really happy to have, like, also, I don't know. Because, like, I kind of wanted to buy it, but I don't know. Like, it was like $13, and I was like, should I buy this one, or should I save up for another Kat Von D makeup palettes coming up, or should I buy, like, one of the perfumes? I honestly really want to buy, like, I already have, like, 2 of the mini Cinder perfumes, but I wanted to buy like the actual bottle because the bottle's like, it has such a really nice aesthetic and I really love it, and the smell, like that's honestly, it's my favorite perfume right now. But I also really like Saint too because I got a little sample from Sephora and that one's really nice, so I really want to buy both of them. I'll probably buy a mini of Saint soon, but anyway, so I wanted to save money for those. But honestly, I didn't think I was gonna win. Cause I was like the day they announced the giveaway, I was sick in bed all day dying. Like I took a nap and then I woke up. like around 11 p.m. at night, and I was eating like some snacks, and I was getting ready to eat a snack, and also I see this like notification from that Kat Von D Beauty mentioned me in the story, and I was like, what? I was like, are they like, at first it didn't dawn on me that was a giveaway. I was like, are they giving me a shout out or something? I'm like, I don't think they, I don't know. I was like, it must be like an old post, because like they liked some old posts, you know? And I was like, wow, okay. And I opened it, and it says the giveaway winners, and I was like, holy crap, it's me. I was like, wow. So they picked, I think, 10 winners, I believe, and I was one of them. So that's pretty cool. I didn't think I'd actually win, but I knew there was like a tiny percent little chance that I'd win, because they said they'd be picking 10, so I was like, maybe I win. I doubt it though, but you know. But I was thinking that, I remember thinking like earlier in that day, I was like, it'd be so awesome if they picked me, because I'm honestly really having a really crappy day right now. I felt sick, and it would honestly lift me up if they announced the winners and then one of them was me. That did actually happen, and honestly I felt 100% better for that. Like I think my fever went away like right after that. I was like, holy crap, I feel so much better. And I filmed some Christmas YouTube videos after that, so, like right after that, so that was pretty cool. That made me really happy. So my camera's gonna die, so I better hurry up. I don't want to like charge it while I'm filming. That's really annoying. So first I'm just watching the mattes. Bone, is this one? Yeah, this one's a really light. It's almost white, but it's kind of creamy-ish. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera right there. I would use it for a little blending shade. I always forget the name of that shade. You know, the one where you start off first and you blend it. I don't know. This next one is called Feather. It's kind of a really light yellowish color. It's like kind of like a whitish yellow. I don't know how to explain it. And I did mention before that when I dipped my fingers in these, I noticed how creamy they were, and they're really soft. Like honestly, they're really soft eyeshadows, and I've used this palette several times already, and they blend pretty well, honestly. And the metals are pretty nice. This one is Suede. It's kind of a really light brown. Y'all can see it right there. Let's see. This next one is called Oak, and this one's a brown. Maybe put some more on there. Like I said again, like these, honestly, they felt pretty nice. They were really soft and creamy, so I thought that was pretty cool. This one's my favorite shade. This one's called Velvet. And honestly, I think you could use this whole entire palette for like one look, honestly, because you can use the lighter colors for like for the blending colors, and then you can go from there like to dark, and then to use Velvet. You know, I don't know. I've done a whole entire look just using these eyeshadows. This one's Velvet. I honestly really like this shade. Okay, now I'm gonna go onto the metals now. I'm gonna put it on this arm. Let me roll up my bell sleeves. First I'm gonna swatch Thunderstruck. This one's really nice. It's white eyeshadow, but it has like a gold glimmer to it. Like it's shiny, like it's really pretty. I don't know if y'all can even see that on the camera. I don't think the camera's even doing it justice at all, to be honest. I can't even tell. You can see it there, but I don't think you can see like how pretty and like golden it is. Like it has like a gold like shine to it. Kind of like, this is a little pinkish actually, but more gold. A little bit peach actually, but kind of like a gold shine. It's a really nice color, honestly. But yeah, I don't think the camera does like shimmery shades any justice. This next one's called Flash. It's a golden yellow. It's really pretty. There you guys can see. It's really nice. This next one's called Dolce. This one's like a pinkish, orangish color. I don't know how to explain it, honestly. It's a little bit orange. Like I really like orange. Shimmery. Y'all can see there. I do really shitty, I do really crappy swatches, so I'm so sorry about that. Next one's called Synergy. This one's a sparkly brown. Let's see, I'm gonna swatch it so that y'all can see. Okay, I feel like I'm doing too much down here, so there we go. This one is a shimmery brown. It's really nice. And this last one is called Raw Power. This one's also one of my favorites too. Let me roll up my sleeve. And there we go. It's like basically the same color as almost velvet, except it's like shimmery. A little bit lighter than velvet too, so it's pretty cool. And yeah, I think honestly, I think this palette's pretty good. If you want it, then get it. It doesn't have like a lot of colors, of course, but honestly, you could use this palette just for like one eye look. You can do like many different looks with this. You can do cut creases, you can do smoky eyes, you can do anything with it. I think my favorite shades from here is Velvet, Thunderstruck, Raw Power, and Flash is also really nice. These first three I like to use as the blending colors, so yeah, I thought those were like really, like, those come in handy. Like, they're really light, but you can use them to blend and stuff, so it's pretty cool. These two dark ones, you can use them for like the main color, you know, use them for cut creases and all that good stuff. So yeah, honestly, this palette's really awesome. I think I'll forever treasure this palette even after I'm done with it, because like I want it from them. They sent it to me, so I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, and of course the little, I don't like this dirty, but the little note they gave me. Like, honestly, these make me so happy. So yeah, I was also really happy that I won it. Hopefully I can win like more of the giveaways in the future, like somehow get on a PR list, because that would be really awesome. Honestly, I'm a real college student and makeup's expensive as hell, so yeah. But I love makeup. Honestly, I planned to work at Sephora, but I'm pretty sure like if I work there, half my paycheck's gonna go back into Sephora, but whatever, it's okay. Notice I'm wearing a little crown. I'm all dressed up today. Well, yesterday, that's my birthday, the 7th. But yeah, I've basically been celebrating for like 3 days straight, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, I can't celebrate tonight again, and yeah, I'm all dressed up, so I feel really glamorous. And I was like, why not film a YouTube video tonight? So yeah, it's like 5 in the morning right now, and I'm filming a YouTube video. So here we are. I turned 20, so it's pretty cool. I don't know, I've been posting on Instagram, Twitter, if any of my subscribers follow me on there. So yeah. Also, I reached 1,000 subscribers. Yay! So thank you guys so much for checking out my videos. Like, it means a lot to me. Make sure you always keep liking and commenting on my videos and sharing my videos. Like, that's gonna help me out a lot. And I can't do it without you guys. So yes, I'm so happy I reached 1,000 subscribers. So yay! I think last time I checked, I was like at 1,040, I believe. I haven't checked in like a day or two, so I don't know how much I have now. But yes, thank you guys so much for checking out my videos. Like, it means the world to me, and I hope you guys keep watching my videos and following me on this YouTube journey that I've been doing. I've honestly been doing YouTube since like middle school, maybe like early high school, I don't remember, but most of the videos are all gone now. But yes, thank you guys so much for checking out my videos. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also be sure to check out my Instagram and Twitter. Denise Draven, as always. You can find me on the internet with that name, so yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!